This is the video for number 7 and 8 on the Unit 2 CBA. We've got a graph here that's going to go with number 7 and 8. First of all, on number 7, it's asking us to interpret the x-intercept. Remember, that means that's where the graph crosses the x-axis at. So if I look on my x-axis right about there at the 4 is my x-intercept. So I know it has to do something with that point, so keep that in mind. So it says Josh starts 160 miles from home, okay? Well, when he starts, his time should be 0, okay? Which means 160 miles away. Now, yes, that is true, but does it have to do with the x-intercept? No, because I'm looking at this number. So I'm going to ignore that one for right now. He averages 40 miles per hour, but we go from 160 and we're down to 120 miles. Well, that's 40. And then in the next hour, we go down 40. Again, still true. He is averaging 40 miles per hour, but that has nothing to do with the x-intercept. All right, Josh is always getting closer to home. I mean, yeah, here he arrives home, but that's really kind of talking about the continuity of the whole thing. He's always progressively getting closer and closer. So, kind of meh on that one. Josh arrives home in 4 hours. Here's the thing I want. My x-intercept is at 4 hours. That's when he stops driving because he's reached home. So this is the one that the x-intercept is about. Even though those other ones are true, they have nothing to do with that specific part that they're asking about. Same thing here. It says interpret the right end behavior. End behavior means what happens as it goes to a certain point. The left side is negative infinity. Right side is positive infinity. So as the graph goes this way to the right, what's happening? Okay. First option, the miles are decreasing. Okay. Number of miles from home. Okay, that's true so far. As we go this way, the miles are decreasing. So we'll put a check mark there for right now. Time is decreasing. Definitely not. As I go this way, time is increasing. Miles are increasing as I go that way. Not necessarily true. The next one says the miles are increasing. As I go this way, the miles are actually decreasing because he's getting closer to home. So that one's not true either. And then the last one says the miles are staying the same. Well, that would mean he would stay at 160 the entire time. Definitely not true, so it is, in fact, letter A.